Wait, okay, what is that?
It's S.
Okay. What else?
Letter K.
Okay, what else?
J.
Okay.
Oh, again. Oh, what the other this one? F.
F. Okay.
Okay. This is a letter W.
Where's the W? Okay.
J.
Okay, what is that one? The W is? What is the picture in the W?
Watch.
Okay, watch.
Y.
What is that?
Y.
Where's the Y?
J.
No, it's not Y, that one. It's letter V.
That is letter Y.
Yeah, that's the Y.
That is van.
Yeah, van.
This is a the T. That is teddy bear.
Wow, no. Teddy bear and toys. Letter T, toys. Teddy bear.
Look, a pencil.
Okay, a pencil.
A for yum.
Lamp. L for lamp.
Yum that yum.
Yes, it's a lamp.
Look, a xylophone. Xylophone X. X xylophone.
X, xylophone. Okay. Xylophone.
Xylophone. Hear this sound. Xylophone. Ding, ding, ding.
Ah, ting, ting, ting. The sounds?
S
S.
for strawberry.
Wow, S for strawberry.
What's this letter?
I don't know. What is that?
Zero.
Zero. No, it's letter O.
It's O. Orange.
Okay. Letter O.
H.
H.
H for house.
Wow, H for house. Bravo.
What's it? That's us. That's toy. What's number that's toy? Just no that's toy.
Okay, where's the letter Z? Letter
No.
Z.
G? That's letter G.
No, it's not letter Z, that one. It's letter V. Van.
One. Okay. That's it. What? Number U.
U. Okay,
Umbrella.
okay, U umbrella.
Umbrella coming the rain.
Yeah, it's coming to rain. Okay, can you sing ABC?
Yeah. S letter T. A duck.
D. Duck.
D duck. What's this? What's this?
Letter K. Kite.
Kite?
Yeah.
Letter K. Kite.
Okay, very good.
What is it? That's the numbers. And duck. Why that's swimming one day of the
The duck is swimming one day. Okay, sing ABC. You know how to sing ABC?
E B C D E F G and this.
Huh?
Wait, that is the O. O for orange.
O for orange.
P for the pencil.
P for the pencil. Bravo.
Oh no, what's he see the pencil? You know.
What are the colors of the pencil?
Yellow
Yellow
and
and red.
light red.
Red and light red. What else?
Blue,
Blue.
purple.
Purple.
It's light blue, okay? Light blue.
Light blue and red and light red.
Purple.
Purple.
That is sky purple. I said sky purple.
Okay, you see the color purple. Where's the letter A? A. You cannot reach it? You cannot reach the letter A? Just point in your finger. Where is it? Point on where?
No, that is kite.
No, the sky. Don't make trick for me. I know you know it.
A.
Yeah, okay. What is the next of letter A?
Fish.
Oh, fish. That's a fish.
Yes. What's that? Yes. Where's the E? The E.
Where? Where's the letter E?
There.
Look. No. What is that?
Letter E.
E for what?
E for grapes. Grapes.
Ano ba mo Kiani?
It's a apple.
Letter, oy, wait, listen to me. Letter G, that one, grapes. Letter G, grapes.
P.
B,
B for soccer ball.
okay, B for soccer ball.
Too much
Ball.
big soccer ball. Too much big.
Okay.
Apple for the other. The A. Okay, A for the apple.
A for the apple.
Apple.
B for what?
Apple.
B,
B for baby.
Blippi. Letter C for what? Letter C.
Let's see.
Give me the stick. I will use the brush to point, okay? Okay.
I use
Me
that
only will point because it's dirty, that one. This one, what is this?